Welcome to Snacks Weekly on Data Science. This podcast is all about making data science and machine learning knowledge accessible and less intimidating. Today, we are going to talk about spam detection. This topic is based on a tech blog with the title Moderating Inappropriate Video Content at Yelp, written by their machine learning engineering team. You can find the blog link in this episode's description. Throughout this episode, we will dissect this topic from both business and machine learning angles. Now, let's dive in. On the business side, let's take a look at the problem to be solved. Yelp is a platform where people can discover local businesses. People can read and write reviews and share their experiences. Founded in San Francisco in 2004, Yelp now hosts over 260 million reviews covering nearly every type of local businesses, from restaurants and salons to dentists and mechanics. Reviews are the backbone of Yelp's ecosystem. They build trust between consumers and businesses, and they significantly influence decisions that can drive or stall the business growth. More positive reviews can lead to increased traffic to the business, while more negative ones can have the opposite effect. This makes it critical for Yelp the platform to ensure the authenticity and the quality of the reviews of their platform so that it can be the place where people can depend upon. As consumer behavior evolves, Yelp expanded its review product beyond just text and image reviews, and it introduced video reviews. Video reviews offer a richer, more detailed way for users to share their experience, and it provides an immersive experience that text and image cannot do that. However, with this new feature came new challenge. Unlike text and images, videos are more complex to moderate because they can contain inappropriate content that's harder to detect automatically. With the growing volume of the video reviews submitted by Yelp users, coupled with the need to maintain high quality of those reviews, the company faced new challenges that require the team to tackle it. Now we have understood the business problem to solve. Let's dive into the data science side to explore solutions for moderating video content in a scalable fashion. The team's solution is deeply anchored in advanced deep learning technology, and they employ a two-step approach. The first step involves a sophisticated machine learning model that can scan all uploaded videos to identify any suspicious content. These models are trained to flag videos that might violate the platform's guidelines. The second step of the system involves human interactions, with credible reviewers who take a closer look at the flagged content to determine whether it actually breaches the company's policy or not. When it comes to identifying inappropriate videos, the team needs to carefully balance two key factors: recall and precision. Recall and precisions are metrics used to evaluate the accuracy of classification models. It measures how well a model identifies relevant data points and true positives. In the content of the video moderation, true positives are the cases that genuinely violates the company's policy and are confirmed as inappropriate. With this definition of true positive, recall refers to the proportion of all possible inappropriate videos on the platform that are flagged as positive by the machine learning model. It is about catching as many inappropriate videos as possible. Precision, on the other hand, refers to the proportion of the flagged videos that are indeed true positives, to ensure that the videos identified as inappropriate are actually so. The challenge lies in maximizing recall without compromising precision, effectively catching the bad content without overwhelming reviewers with false positives. However, this process isn't coming without challenge. One major issue is the sheer volume of videos that need to be reviewed. As video content on Yelp platform grows, so does the workload for the reviewer teams. To address this challenge, the team implemented two tactics. Firstly, they created a system to automatically remove videos if the same video was identified as inappropriate previously. Technically, any video updated can be first checked by the system's matching service, which computes the similarity hash between this video and all the other videos which were previously removed for violating content guidelines. So if a new video matches a previous flagged video, it is automatically discarded. A second tactic is that the team developed a method to preemptively block uploads from users who display suspicious active patterns, essentially stopping the problem before it starts. This approach extends beyond just analyzing individual videos to also evaluating user behaviors. Machine learning models categorize users based on their past activities, and this information is leveraged to minimize the need for video reviews, thereby reducing the workload and improving the efficiency. Besides the first challenge on sheer video volumes, the second challenge is a time delay in identifying inappropriate videos. Video files are typically much larger than text or image, and the computational cost requires to process each file in a much heavier fashion and takes much longer time. This delay in identifying inappropriate videos can allow harmful contents to spread on the platform before it's taken down. This could lead to negative customer experiences. To tackle this challenge, the team developed a heuristic solution. They sample frames from each video file and apply image-based spam detection algorithm to these frames. By analyzing a few sampled frames, they can quickly estimate whether the entire video is likely to be inappropriate or not. This approach helps to reduce the time it takes to identify and remove problematic content. And this enables the Yelp's platform to respond more quickly to potential issues. Now we discussed both the business problem and technical solution. Let's wrap it up. In this episode, we've explored how Yelp is navigating the challenges of incorporating video reviews into their platform. We discussed the use of machine learning to detect inappropriate content and the strategies Yelp is deploying to maintain the quality and integrity of their platform. These efforts ensures the platform to remain a trusted source for customers and a valuable tool for the business. If you like the content of this episode, please subscribe to the channel, give me a 5-star review, and leave a comment. Your feedback is very appreciated, and I'll see you next week.